Today we are here to show you how the ST Genesis works. The ST Genesis is an FDA-cleared neuromodulation device supporting the reduction of opiate withdrawal symptoms. Inside the ST Genesis box, you will find the device itself, the cover of the ST Genesis device, a sterile pack of needles, adhesive for the device, instructions for use, which will include the expiration date. Remove the protective cover and take the ST Genesis out of the packet. Remove all the supplies and place on a clean surface. At this point, you would normally activate the battery. However, this may depend upon the COWS score, which is the Clinical Opiate Withdrawal Score, or the clinician's direction. It is essential to thoroughly clean and disinfect the area of the skin in order to avoid the risk of infection. First, clean the surface of the left ear and then the skin behind it. The cleaned area of the skin has to be absolutely dry prior to application. You're going to want to locate the areas of stimulation using the point locator. Once the auricular stimulation point is located, you'll want to mark these areas with a surgical marker on the surface of the skin. Be sure and not touch the marked points with your hand. Repeat the procedure for the other two stimulation points and for the ground wire lead. Pick up one of the snap fit rings in the device with the help of a tweezer and fix it into the stimulation needle placed inside the blister pack. Take care to keep the snap fit ring as straight as possible when pressing it in the stimulation needle. Similarly, repeat the same procedure to connect the snap fit rings to the other three needles. The single wire is the grounding wire. You'll want to keep that wire separate. This is the wire that attaches to the earlobe. The ST Genesis device targets the areas of the brain responsible for pain and anxiety through neurostimulation treatment, offering the patient a high degree of comfort and mobility. Stimulation is performed by sending electrical impulses emitted through the needles, strategically positioned on the branches of the cranial nerves 5, 7, 9, and 10. Once the device is applied, the therapy begins immediately, and it will continue for 120 hours or for 5 days. Each patient's treatment is monitored by frequent measurements of the COWS score. The frequency will depend upon the patient presentation and the clinician's practice preference. The ST Genesis allows you to continue your everyday life while recovering. This uninterrupted freedom is something very unique to the ST Genesis. If you would like to learn more about the ST Genesis, please visit our website at speranzatherapeutics.com